Bird, a poem of voices. 1. What the Magpie said. Magpie in the garden, magpie in the sky, no lay me tangery unless you want to die. One of us for sorrow, two of us for fear. 12 the world is over, time to disappear. Magpie in the garden, magpie in the sky, no lay me tangery unless you want to die. The apocalypse is coming, we're building our reserves. Our chack 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 is rising, it's playing on your nerves. Magpie in the garden, magpie in the sky, no lay me tangery, we'll squawk until you die. Gaia's called your number, she's banging on your door. Your world is slowly dying, soon you'll be no more. Magpie in the garden, magpie in the sky, no lay me tangery, we'll squawk until you die.